Can you see? If you really want to eat this food, I go in adding my onions. And I add in my tomato. That's why I talk about this is just what we discussed yesterday. Your love oil. I'm not doing any voiceover. Liar. Liar. What's this? You want to try to put inside my food, Abby? So this is the beef. You can see the beef is cooking. I want to cook it to soft. The tomato sauce, I'm not blending. I like it this way, but I have to allow it to boil. All right, I have to allow it to boil to my taste. Yeah, thank you, lover. I love you, Uju. I'm loving you so much. What are you cooking for me today? I am cooking sauce. I'm making some tomato sauce and beef. Uju, thank you so much. Thank you so much, my beautiful Uju. Thank you. Okay, guys. So the tomatoes is already here. So let's get to the next thing. I have to allow it to boil very well. You see, I didn't cut it. I won't allow my kids to eat it this way because they'll be spitting it. Mommy, I don't like it. Mommy, I don't like it. So I have to allow it to boil so it can soften a little. Okay. Wow, I like it. Thank you, Sammy. Guys, please kindly subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time joining my live stream, watching my video, please kindly subscribe to my channel, okay? This is me, Luchy World. I'm a lifestyle content creator. I'm a YouTuber, okay? This is the beautiful face. You see, I'm in the kitchen, I'm cooking, and it's hot. The weather is quite hot over here, and I'm in the kitchen already. So kindly do me a favor and subscribe to my channel, okay? So let me check on the beef. This is the liver. The liver is supposed to be soft. I don't know. The liver is not supposed to be as strong as the main beef, so I have to bring it out. Let me see if I can see a way to bring out the liver, sorry. But it's supposed to be more soft and more. It was messy. Is that all? Oh my god, the aroma is everywhere. It's everywhere. Really soft. Okay, fine. Let me just test it and see if it's soft. And I can bring it down. I need to have a taste. Let me cut small and check if it's okay. So soft and spicy. All right. I don't know. Can you see what I'm doing? You know what I'm cutting like this? I'm cutting in garlic. I forgot it, but I just want to get the paste. Just a little. That's garlic. So this is garlic. I was supposed to have added it long ago, blend or grind, but I didn't remember, so I have to. So tasty. Okay, now it's time to add the beef and the liver. It's time to add them. So I need to add a little more pepper. So guys, oh, no one is here now. Why? So this is the sauce, tomato sauce. Sorry. Guys, the sauce is ready. So this is the rice. We are joining the rice with the sauce. Rice and sauce. Right? So get your spoon ready. Get your spoon ready to eat. Okay? Get your full spoon ready. You can see the sauce. Let me show you very well. You see the sauce, right? Get your spoon ready. Oh yes. Okay, maybe I have to show the two so I can use it for. Can you see? Get your spoon ready, guys, if you really want to eat this food. Okay, and rice. Thank you for watching.